So y'all want to know why I think this Zippo lighter, is a Zippo on here somewhere? Man, look, this lighter's old as dirt. You see that? Can you see that? Okay. So, want to know why I think the Zippo lighter is the best lighter out? Check this out. You can find these old, and you can scrape off the wheel with a wire brush to get it to spin freely, oil it up. After taking all of this out, see that spring? So you pull that spring out, and in it is a flint. See that flint? See that flint? So in it is a flint. You can pull that flint out, right? And then you can pull this piece out right here at the bottom of it. Get it without tearing it. Okay. And so after you pull this out, there's cotton in there. You can literally rip all this cotton out of here, and after the cotton, there's a wick that you can kind of see through here, but it's a long string that sits at the top. But these lighters are completely rebuildable. Everything on them is rebuildable. And that's why I think these are such cool lighters. So this one, let's say I put this back on top, holes on one side, so it's got to go one way. Then when it stops sparking, it's usually because it's hitting the striker, which is this piece right here on the end. And that piece holds this little, oh snap. All right, so I dropped that, but you can buy a whole pack of them. This is like 100 of them I bought off Amazon for like $5 or something. It was a dumb price. So I'm just gonna grab another one instead of trying to find one. Okay, so anyway, that's the flint. It's a little gold piece. And what I'm gonna do now is stick this in the bottom, in that hole right there. I'm gonna stick it in the hole, let it fall. It'll touch this wheel down here. And I'm gonna take this piece and put it inside, like that, right there. And then you push down on it, give it a couple of spins so it's locked in, like that, and tighten it down. What you can do by hand, no thumb. And once it's tight, take it down. It fits right in the slot. Tighten it a little bit, and now it will spark. And it will light. So anyway, yeah, that's all it takes to put it out. As long as this piece is down, this is my other one. That's how much I like them. I found this one actually in my yard on my property down in Georgia. Yeah, so you slide this in, put this down, and now you can boom, spark, close, open, spark, and close. Zippos. I don't know why anybody buys wick, or anything else for that matter. You buy this lighter one time and it lasts forever. Pretty cool thing.